How to Earn Never-Ending Wealth, a guide to building lifelong financial freedom. Key points to be discussed. 1. Understanding true wealth. 2. Building multiple streams of passive income. 3. Investing for growth. 4. The power of reinvestment. 5. Diversification. 6. Automating your wealth-building system. 7. Creating a legacy. If you're tired of the constant grind, living paycheck to paycheck, or even just chasing after the next best opportunity, it's time to stop and think bigger. Building never-ending wealth isn't about finding the perfect investment or a one-time windfall. It's about creating sustainable, long-term streams of income that continue to grow with or without your active participation. Imagine waking up every day with the knowledge that your wealth is growing, not shrinking, that you're not just living off your savings or waiting for the next paycheck. Instead, you're watching your investments work for you. You're living in a reality where your money is generating more money without you actively working for it. You've created a system that works for you rather than you working for it. This is never-ending wealth. In this episode of Wealth Rise, we'll break down exactly how to build a system that produces wealth that never dries up. From passive income to investing for long-term growth, we'll explore the strategies and mindset shifts you need to build wealth that lasts a lifetime and beyond. So grab a pen, take notes, and get ready to transform the way you think about money. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more game-changing wealth-building strategies. 1. Understanding true wealth. It's not just about money. Before diving into the mechanics of creating never-ending wealth, it's important to understand that true wealth isn't just about having a large amount of money sitting in your bank account. Real wealth is about having a system that continually generates income and appreciates over time, no matter how much or little you're personally involved. Many people get caught up in the idea that wealth means buying fancy things, living in luxury, or constantly having the latest gadgets. But true financial freedom comes when you've built a sustainable system that earns you money without you actively having to work for it day in and day out. It's about creating assets, things that grow in value or provide consistent cash flow. And this process doesn't happen overnight. It takes planning, discipline, and long-term thinking. When you focus on building assets, you create something that works for you now and well into the future. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, or even 50s, the key to building lasting wealth lies in shifting your mindset from merely earning to building and protecting assets that generate long-term passive cash flow. 2. Building multiple streams of passive income. The foundation of never-ending wealth lies in developing multiple streams of passive income. This is the type of income that flows to you regularly without requiring constant effort or supervision. By building passive income sources, you can ensure that your wealth continues to grow and compound over time. Here are some ways to create multiple streams of passive income. Real estate investments. Real estate is one of the most reliable forms of generating passive income. Whether you purchase rental properties or invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate can provide a steady stream of rental income while appreciating in value. Over time, your property could grow in value, giving you capital gains when you sell. For a more hands-off approach, you can hire property managers to oversee the day-to-day operations of your properties, giving you income with minimal involvement. Think of it as building an asset that not only grows in value but also generates cash flow every month. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another way to build passive income. Companies that pay dividends give you a percentage of their profits regularly, typically quarterly. The best part is that you don't have to sell your shares to access this income. You can take the dividend income as cash, or better yet, reinvest it into more dividend stocks or other investments, making the snowball effect work in your favor. By strategically investing in dividend-paying stocks and consistently reinvesting those dividends, you'll see your wealth grow significantly over time. Royalties and intellectual property. Intellectual property can be an incredibly powerful wealth-building tool. Whether you're a writer, musician, content creator, or inventor, intellectual property is an asset that can generate income for years or even decades after the initial effort. Once you've created something, be it a book, a song, a course, or software, you can earn royalties or licensing fees every time it's purchased, used, or downloaded. This form of passive income can continue indefinitely as long as your intellectual property remains valuable to the market. The more you create and the better you market your creations, the larger your income stream can grow. Online businesses and digital products. In today's digital age, there's a wealth of opportunities to create online businesses or sell digital products. You could launch an e-commerce store, create an online course, develop a mobile app, or even start a subscription-based service. While setting up an online business requires initial effort, once it's up and running, it can be automated to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. For example, an e-commerce business that uses drop shipping models means you don't have to handle inventory or fulfill orders yourself. With the right systems in place, your online business can run passively while providing a steady cash flow. 3. Invest for growth. Don't just focus on income. Creating never-ending wealth isn't just about generating passive income. It's also about ensuring that your investments continue to grow. This requires a balance between income-generating assets and growth-focused investments. The goal is to compound your wealth by reinvesting profits into assets that will appreciate over time. Stock market and index funds. One of the best ways to ensure your wealth continues to grow is through stock market investments. Long-term investments in well-diversified index funds or growth stocks can provide significant capital appreciation. The stock market, especially in the form of index funds like the S&P 500, has consistently shown growth over long periods. By continuously investing and reinvesting your profits, you'll benefit from the power of compound interest, where your returns generate more returns. This principle is critical when building never-ending wealth, because the more your investments grow, the more money you'll earn over time. Real estate appreciation. While rental properties can generate immediate income, real estate's true power lies in its appreciation over time. As neighborhoods grow, developments improve, and inflation increases, property values tend to rise, allowing you to sell at a higher price than you originally paid. This capital gain, on top of the rental income, is a critical piece of building long-term, never-ending wealth. Whether through direct ownership or investing in REITs, real estate is a tried-and-true way to grow your wealth for generations. Alternative investments. For those with a higher risk tolerance, alternative investments such as venture capital, startups, or cryptocurrencies can offer massive returns. These investments can be highly volatile, but when selected carefully, they offer the potential for high growth that can dramatically increase your net worth. 4. The power of reinvestment. Let your wealth grow. One of the most important principles of building never-ending wealth is reinvestment. The most successful investors understand the importance of reinvesting their profits back into their investments. This includes reinvesting dividends from stocks, returns from real estate, or profits from businesses. Reinvestment accelerates the process of wealth creation because it compounds over time. For example, if you earn $1,000 in dividends from your investments and reinvest that money, you now have $1,000 more working for you. The following year, you'll earn dividends on the original $10,000 plus the $1,000 you reinvested. Reinvesting consistently is what allows your wealth to grow exponentially. 5. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. While it's important to build wealth through consistent income and growth, diversification is key to protecting that wealth. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, stocks, real estate, bonds, etc., and industries, you reduce the risk of losing everything in the event of a downturn in one sector. Diversification allows you to mitigate risks while still benefiting from long-term growth. It's the financial equivalent of having multiple safety nets. 6. Automate your wealth-building system. Automation is one of the best ways to ensure that you stay on track with your wealth-building goals. Setting up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts, investment portfolios, or real estate ventures will help you build wealth without constant effort. With the right systems in place, your investments will grow automatically. Automated investment accounts. Set up recurring payments to your investment accounts so you're always contributing to your future. Automatic reinvestment plans, DRIPs. Reinvest your dividends and interest to grow your portfolio effortlessly. Real estate property management. For rental properties, hire a property management company to handle tenants, repairs, and rent collection. By automating your wealth-building systems, you free up time and reduce stress while your investments continue to work for you. 7. Create a legacy. Pass wealth down. Finally, never-ending wealth isn't just about your generation. It's about creating a legacy that can be passed down to your children and grandchildren. Building generational wealth ensures that your hard work doesn't end with you. Estate planning. Ensure that your wealth is transferred smoothly and efficiently through trusts, wills, and life insurance. Financial literacy. Teach your heirs the principles of managing wealth so they can continue to build on what you've created. Call to action. Now that you know how to create never-ending wealth, it's time to take action. Start today by building your first passive income stream, automating your savings, and investing for long-term growth. Like, share, and comment below with your thoughts on creating wealth that lasts a lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to build financial freedom that lasts. Your journey to never-ending wealth starts now. Let's rise together.